How to find the recycle bin on Android. This tutorial shows you how to locate the trash and restore or permanently delete your files. First, open the File Manager app on your Android device. After that, go ahead and delete any item you want to move to the trash. From there, once the item is deleted, head back to the File Manager home screen. At this point, scroll down to the bottom of the screen until you see a section called Utilities. In the next step, tap on Recycle Bin under the Utilities section to open it. Following this, you'll see all the files you've recently deleted stored in here. Once done, find the item you want to restore or permanently delete and long press on it to select it. From here, once you select it, you'll notice a few options appear at the bottom of the screen. At this stage, if you want to bring the file back, tap Restore and it will go right back to where it was originally. Finally, if you want to permanently remove it, tap Delete and confirm your choice when prompted. And that's it. If this guide helped you find the recycle bin and manage your deleted files on your Android, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.